No one learns alone. At SMK Pendidikan Khas Setapak, every student deserves to experience the wonder of science. This is Terence, one of our visually impaired students. Like many others, he could memorize scientific facts, but imagining invisible concepts was a different challenge.
Hasha believed there had to be another way. Before creating any solution, we choose to listen. Our visually impaired friends share one common challenge. We can memorize the definition, but we still can't imagine the science. The single sentence changed everything.
Instead of asking AI to give us answers, together with Takif and their friends, we ask AI to help us think. We explore ideas, question every suggestion, improve them, and transform them into a meaningful learning experience. One challenge could never be solved by one person, so every student became part of the solution. Science doesn't begin in a textbook. It begins with curiosity. Idea by idea, prototype by prototype, our team transformed invisible science into unforgettable experience, not with expensive technology, but with simple ideas, recycled materials, and the determination to make science accessible for every learner. Because understanding begins the moment our friends can finally touch what they have never seen. Creating a model wasn't the finish line, it was only the beginning. Every activity we tested with our visually impaired friends. We listened, observed, reflected, and improved every idea together because meaningful learning begins with listening. When our friends finally understood science, we asked ourselves one more question. What if every teacher could use these ideas? What if every visually impaired learners could experience science the same way? So, our journey didn't stop in the classroom. It grew into a community. Behind every confident learner stands a teacher who chose to believe. Our journey didn't end at our school. Our students became mentors, sharing simple AI-powered ideas that every teacher could adapt. Together, we learned, created, and inspired one another. Every learner deserves understanding. Every teacher deserves support. Every community deserves to learn together. And every future begins with one idea shared today. Terence is no longer just learning science. He is helping others experience it.